Hi Bean Beauty, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. Today we have an unboxing from Goodwill Finds. So this is a Coach unboxing. So I hope that you're in a Coach mood today. I'm hoping a great find. I mean, on the website it looked really good. Packed very well, very well. Okay. Probably be needing this stuffing in a second. Oh, and then it came in a plastic bag. It's a Coach Soho flat leather satchel. Wow. Wow. It is in great shape. Great shape. It has the four feet on the bottom, and those are a little scuffed up, you know, but that's what the feet are for, so that the bag doesn't. The bag looks like it's a little dirty, but it's just a little dirty. So I've got to take some time cleaning that up. This is great shape. The leather is in great shape. The handles are in great shape as well too. I paid $26.38. She was $32.98, but she went on clearance for 20% off. They had the clearance special that week, and so it was $26.38. So here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side, here's the bottom. Whoa. And you might be able to see the scuffing on the feet. But the corner has no corner wear. No corner wear. Nice. I like this kind of, soft leather bags. I like how it has this little flap here. Let's see. Oh, okay, good. I don't have to worry about it. I was like, am I gonna have to unbuckle that? But no, it's a snap. It's a faux belt, so it's a snap. Very nice. So it's a snap, and then you pull this over, and then I guess you can that back, and then on the inside, here's what she looks like on the inside. She's got black lining on the inside. She has the Coach's tree back here. So on the Coach's bags, you're supposed to be able to tell what year, right? The letter is a C. So I think the C is supposed to be the month, but I could be wrong. But I thought that's what I read online, but I could have remembered correctly. But the two numbers are the year. So it says 05. It was made in 05, and then it has an S. So maybe that's the month. September, S for September, that would make more sense. -8, the number 8, A is an apple, 1. And it has a Coach Creed there embossed in there. Does it have pockets? Yes, it has 2 pockets. Two little pockets here. Let's see how wide the pocket is. Oh, I can fit my phone in both of them. So the phone sticks up, but I can slide the phone in there. Will the bag close? The bag will close, yeah. No back zipper, which is okay. Let's stuff her a little bit. See, I knew I was going to need this again. I don't want it to go too far, so we can kind of get an idea of her shape. She's a little dirty there, but that's all I've seen, and it actually kind of looks like fingernail polish. This is what she looks like with a little bit of items in her. Let's see. Okay. Oh, and here's the Coach tag. I didn't notice that before. And it has this silver hardware. It has a neat Coach's hardware. I can tell you about that. Their Coach's hardware is just phenomenal. Most of their hardware, especially in the older bags, I really like them. I like some great hardware. I really do. But there, look at that. She's cute. I love her. She won't fit. Yeah, she's not a shoulder bag for me. But I figured she'd be can hold her in the crook of the arm, or definitely a great top handle. This is a really, see, this is like, you know, gives me more of that kind of rock and roll vibe. I like that. I like that. This could be really cool with a nice pair of jeans. I definitely would like put out some, well, if I still wear those white flat tennies, but I don't. So I probably put on my white Crocs, some jeans, a nice top. I don't wear white tops because forget it. In 5 seconds, it'll be disastrous. But I like that. A plus, A plus. I say A plus. Yeah, this one doesn't have it. I told you earlier how much it cost, but I already forgot. And my iPad just died, so I think it was $23, 23 and change. Very nice. Love it a lot. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, thank you very much for joining me. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, let me know. You can reach me on Instagram at beanbeautybagsit, or you can reach me via email at beanbeautybagsit@yahoo.com. I'd be happy to entertain any information or have a chit chat if you want, you know, a little bit longer chit chat. I would definitely enjoy doing that. Okay, if you have anything else, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Don't forget to come back. Love y'all. Bye bye.